Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about eSIM. Okay, what are they, how do they work, and why is everybody switching to eSIM? We're going to discuss everything in this video. So if you've ever wondered how people outside the country or people that travel abroad, how do they get their mobile network, how do they get their internet without changing a phone number? Okay, like how do they get their networks outside without having to change or switch to another different phone number? This video I am going to tell you guys in full details and also help you on how to go about it and how to purchase it. If you have interest in traveling, if you are planning to travel anytime soon, you need an eSIM, and in this video I'm going to be telling you why you need an eSIM. Okay, so what is eSIM? eSIM is a digital SIM card built in your phone. So instead of inserting a physical SIM card, you just download a digital card. Okay, let's say you travel out of the country and you have to or you need to get their SIM card in whatever particular country you went, let's say South Korea or Canada or Australia, whatever. But now there is a digital inbuilt mobile plan that you can use instead of getting the physical SIM card, because you're going to have so many SIM cards. You go to South Korea, you get their SIM card. You go to Australia, you get their SIM card. You go to New Zealand, you get their SIM card. You get the Netherlands, you get their SIM card. Like, how many SIM cards do you want to have in different countries? So the eSIM is going to help you with that. You don't need to now buy physical SIM cards. All you just need to do is to download a mobile plan and you can access internet whatever country you find yourself. You do not need to get a physical SIM card. All you need to do is just to download an eSIM mobile plan and you can access internet in whatever country you are. And the benefits of eSIM: one, you don't need to swap SIM cards. Your number is still going to be your number and you're still going to be able to make calls whatever country you are in. Okay, two, it is convenient for international travelers. Very convenient. No need for you to go and be looking for where to purchase a physical SIM card. It is very convenient. You can access the internet wherever you are. They thought you can keep your mobile number, okay, that your business number or that's your main line. You can keep your main line and still access internet. Okay, no need of switching SIM cards. The fourth benefit is that it is quick and easy to set up. Very quick and easy to set up. You don't need to do too much and it doesn't take a long period of time to get activated. And the fifth benefit is that it helps reduce the expensive roaming charges. Okay, yeah, it will help avoid expensive roaming charges. Okay, so how does it work? Okay, so this is how it works. When you purchase an eSIM from a provider, and I'm gonna be telling you guys about the Saily eSIM. Okay, the Saily eSIM, this is their logo. When you purchase an eSIM from them, they will send you an activation code or a QR code that you are going to scan with your phone. Once you scan it, it will direct you to the website and they would give you options of the plans you can make. You click on the plan you want to make and that is it. You're ready to get connected to a mobile plan. Things to know: not all phones support eSIM, so you have to check your phone to find out if your phone actually supports eSIMs. Not every phone accepts eSIM. Not every iPhone accepts eSIM. Not every Android accepts eSIM. So you have to check your phone, check your device compatibility first. Okay, check if your device will accept eSIM before you purchase eSIM. And the third thing you need to know is that you have to compare the data plans and prices before purchasing. Generally, guys, I think the eSIM is a very great option for travelers, for international students, and for anyone who is planning to travel this period. Okay, no need of you getting a physical SIM card or running around to go and see where you are going to buy SIM card. There's an easy way that you can get internet. Okay, yes, so you can use my referral code. Okay, there will be a discount for you if you use my referral code. Saily is an eSIM service that helps travelers stay connected in over 200 destinations worldwide. Yeah, so you can purchase a data plan through the Saily website or app and activate it directly to your phone without having to get you a physical SIM card. So if you're traveling internationally, you can use the Saily app or the website and get $5 off your first purchase and using my code, which is on the screen. Okay, it's in the description box. Click the description below and use my referral code to get a $5 discount on your first purchase with Saily app or the website. I think the eSIM is a great option for travelers. Okay, so students, international students, and anyone who wants a simple way to stay connected when visiting another country. This app makes it very, very easy for you to be able to like choose a mobile plan for yourself. What you need to do is to just click my referral code and it will direct you to their website. You can also download their apps so you can just track your data. You can just click the referral code and it will take you to the website, and you will just, it's so easy. You just scan the activation code or the QR code that's going to pop up, and you make your purchase. Okay, so this is very, very easy. Getting you an eSIM is a very great option. It makes things very quick and easy for you, and the Saily app is here to help you do that. Okay, so guys, and another thing is that when you click the app, you are supporting my YouTube channel, and that's a very good thing. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to this level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, drop your comments. Have you used eSIM? What are your experiences with it? And drop it in the comment section. If you are planning on traveling, do not forget to use my referral code to get you a $5 discount from your first purchase. Use Saily and it's very easy peasy. Like with Saily app, it's very, very easy for you to just have your eSIM and get connected all over the world. Okay, so guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.